What's up, stream? What's up, YouTube? Today, I'm gonna actually try to keep it short, bro. I say that every time. I'm not. Let's just forget about that. Just forget about what I just said, bro, because I don't know how long this video is gonna be. So, I said 5 minutes. I recorded like 40. Help me. Help me. Alright, anyways. Today, you know how I always be. I'm at work, and so really this is my focus. In anything I do, this is my focus. So whether I be at work or wherever I am, so I'm at work, and whenever I have off time, sometimes ideas just pop into my head, for the most part, and I'll just be like on Reddit, or I'll just be Googling stuff. And so I found a little, it's like a 12-day thing that splits the UX process, because I kept doing, you guys know, like I had UX research. I don't know which one it was. I don't know if it's gonna pop up right here. UX research cheat sheet. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I kept looking up UX. I kept going on Reddit and looking up UX, and it was very informational. But the thing was, I didn't know how to use that information. I think it was this one, man. I don't know why it's not purple. Because you know when it's purple, it's supposed to be a link you click, but I don't know. Maybe it's something else. Card sorting. I don't know. This is how it's like in order. Expert review, individual interviews, parallel design, prototyping surveys, system usability skill. Wow. Wow. Wait, what is this? Know your user methods. Oh, there's like different methods. But anyways, I found one that literally breaks it down, bro. 12 steps. You do one every day. For now, I'm gonna do it once a day, even though some of the steps are short. Like today's is pretty short. Short to what I do every day, because I'm on it on like probably 2 hours a day, and like 30 minutes is short, but 30 minutes is like long for a YouTube video. But anyways, okay, so for the first day, the goal. Okay, so this is like a literal, like actual goals, alright? So for the first day, it is, okay, not telling me, it's not showing me. Day 1, choose a project. Okay, so, let's see, day 1, each day, whatever. Today's task is to think of a project to work on based around kindness. I already went through all of them, and it has nothing to do, so I don't know. Well, I'll see. I don't know what kind of, because it's supposed to be a Christmas challenge, like a 12-day Christmas challenge, back in 2016 or something like that. But it's not Christmas, so I can do it. I'm guessing I can do it on whatever, but this one's like, I don't know, kindness. It says think gifts, charity, cheer, peace, and goodwill. Traditional Christmas themes. You can choose between 2 versions of the daily challenge: a short one, which will take you less than 5 minutes, and a longer one that will take you up to 30 minutes. So I think I'm gonna do the 30-minute one, but I could do it pretty quick. I think so. So I'm gonna go to my notes. Let's see if it's still saved. Should be. I was having a headache earlier today, so it's kind of bad. Just a little bit. Okay, so I got my notes. What else? I can bring it up. Talk or chat online to friends or family and brainstorm 2 or 3 possible ideas for an app or product on the theme of kindness. Talk or chat online to friends or family and brainstorm 2 or 3 possible ideas for an app or product. Then conduct some market research online to find out if any similar products already exist. Add notes to your brainstorm based on what you find. Finish by writing up a short description of each idea. Noting any similar products you found and what their key features are. Finally, choose the idea you'd like to work for the rest of the UX. And just to give it a little explanation, this is what the 5-minute one, because it gives you 2 options, like what route do you rather go with. There's a 5-minute version, and it says think of an idea for an app. Notice on the 30-minute version it says brainstorm 2 or 3 possible ideas, and then on the 5-minute one it's just think of an idea, one, for an app or product that has something to do with kindness. You'll be working to develop this idea over the next 12 days. If you can't think of an idea, here's one we prepared earlier. An app that prompts the user each morning to donate to a different charitable cause, whether by pledging their time for a specific task, giving a small amount of money, or sharing a message via the user's networks. Like sharing something. Well, that's what it says. I'm sure it's like sharing a link or something like that. Which right now, with everything that's going on with the police and all that, that could be one. That's an idea. Let's see. I'm thinking about, and then I could just go back to the Alberto's one, which is that's my first choice. Okay, so going back to the 30-minute one, I don't have anybody here with me, and then that's the suggested one, the act of kindness. So 2 to 3 possible. Okay, so talk or chat online with friends. There's no friends around. Or chat online. Let's see if there's any chat for Twitch today. If you have any 2 or 3 possible ideas for an app to do with kindness, comment down below. I'm about to check right now. I'm about to check. Where is it? 0 viewers, so I'm talking to myself literally. 2 or 3. So Alberto's is one, like I said. Alberto's. That's what I was gonna do before I found this. That's what I've been having. But yeah, I don't know. Okay, so Alberto's is one. The next one is it was about the what was it? Human rights, was it? Human rights. I mean that has to do with kindness. So do that. Let's see. UN human rights. Was it human? Yeah, it's human rights. And I could do it on the first one. That's the one that I was working on last time I was talking about it. Article 1. All human beings are born free. Alberto's. So I'll get a little more specific. Mexican food. And then for this one, it was app that reminds you of human rights. Human rights. And the cool thing about this one, I feel like people will remember, like, I'm talking about now the ideas for this one, because there's only 30, bro. You do that 30 days, right, for the notification, and people will kind of remember. But if you keep repeating it every single year, for a whole year, the same 30, bro. So that'd be 12 times each. You get a notification every morning for the same thing. Like I said, once a month it's article 1. By the end of the year, you're gonna know which is important. And it could go like if you click on the notification, it'll probably like bring you here, like to the website or whatever, and it'll go more into depth. So it could be like so app that reminds you of your human rights. So it's 1. I mean that's just 2 with that one. Whoops. And then for the third one, it's like a kindness kind of app. Brainstorm, see another for an app or product on the theme of kindness. Damn. An app idea. When I think of an idea, the idea just comes to me. It doesn't. I'm not thinking like whether it's this theme or that theme. It just comes to me. So I really don't know. Let's look up like app ideas, something like that. App ideas, Reddit. App ideas. Design for professionals. Let's go to new. I like new. Cause just find stuff like that. If it loads, or if it's not, then I'm looking at the time today because yesterday I wanted, yesterday was kind of weird. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to remember something. Buddy up and learn together. What is that about? How about an app where you can look for people who want to learn the same thing as you? Example, I'm learning C#, and I love if I could look for 2 to 3 people who are also starting at the same time to keep me interested and accountable. You might be interested in checking out this neat app. I'd love to hear something. That's kindness, collaborating with people. What else we got though? We got that one. That was pretty cool. I like it. Oh no, not signed in. An app that locks all your devices at some hours for you to focus on work or other stuff. However, if you fail and break the app, we'll message one or more of your friends that you choose that you failed. That's more of a feature. It's not like an app. A lot of these can be features. That's why you see companies buying like certain apps, because most of them could be features. Beer and DoorDash, but instead of food, it's for alcohol. Runs for those a little too drunk to be driving. Users should submit a photo of their IDs for approval before being allowed to use the app. Oh, like Tinder and stuff like that. Like Tinder verifies you. All you gotta do is just take a picture of your ID or something like that. Historical flag. I've been searching for an emoji that has historical flags like the Persian flag. Austria-Hungary. Okay. An OnlyFans inspired app, but mainly for EU located individuals. All fans. eBay Chrome extension. Rethinking the dating app. Simple app could announce the names of streets as my phone location enters them. That I believe is a shortcut. Not as an iOS shortcut. For what purpose? For tourism purposes. Visiting places Getting the area names announced through headphone. You can do this with shortcuts, I believe. I'm not sure. Batter an app to work out how far our lighting is on the strike, something like that. Guys, gas prices. Tinder, but only for shy, introverted, or socially anxious people. App that plans the most optimal route in the grocery store. Ooh. Look at that. I'm always lost at grocery stores. I'm assuming a store like Amazon Fresh, like more of the newer ones. Because I know Amazon Fresh is only, I think there's only like 10 stores, 10 or 15 of those stores open in the whole US. So I'm assuming it's more like newer to new technology and stuff like that. So I'm assuming only stores like those have them. But when you go to like your local grocery store, most of them don't have them. This could be a feature used in Yelp. Definitely. If Yelp makes a move like that, but a lot of them are scared to make moves. Well, that's another story. A wardrobe planning app. Yeah, that'd be pretty dope. Enter what and what you have. For some people, it'd be kind of tedious because a lot of people, not a lot, but like some people buy clothes like every weekend. So it's kind of tedious finding the clothes and all that. So you have to work out the logistics. How to start with an app idea. That's something interesting. Okay, let's see. Messaging. I want to know what's the best approach if I have an idea for before you even look for developers. Yeah, doing a little bit of research and stuff like that. Anyways, it's not what I'm here for. So okay, so this ain't too serious. So I'm gonna go with, what is it? Did I pass it? Did I pass it? Oh yeah, right here. Grocery store routes. I know Target has the routes and stuff. Not routes, but they're very aligned. Also, Home Depot, Lowe's, stuff like that. They have their. It literally tells you what item is in what bay, in what row, and all that. So that's shout out to them. Grocery route. Grocery route. Grocery optimal grocery. Optimal grocery route. Okay, so 2 to 3 app ideas. Then conduct some market research online to find if any similar products already exist. As for this, I'm gonna call these app 2, app 3. Conduct some market research. Conduct some market research online to find out if any similar products already exist. The similars for 1, that's already the app, or they're looking for other restaurants. So let's do Alberto's. I'll link up like 1 or 2. Let's see. So obviously, actually, should I link it? Link it. There's In-N-Out. This one. And a second one. Let's put and actually I'm gonna do tab. Tab is 2. Why am I? Wait, why did it? Wait, hold on. Tab. It did too. It's kind of weird. You're weird though. In and out. You're weird. What else is there? Was it Danny's? I suppose to run here, that's what I'm using those. Just you know. Boom, 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 boom. Similar app that reminds you of your human rights. Similar apps. Human rights. It doesn't have to be app. It could also be website. Like for that one, I did websites. So it's like human rights reminder. Human Rights Day is a reminder that all humans. Human Rights Day. That's one day. Human Rights app. Ooh. I'll do app and then I'll also do the website. The website. Oh, actually, it's right here. So I'll do the web. I'll do this right here. Do that. And then I'll do the UN Human Rights Mobile Justice developed by Quadrant 2. This app gives users a way to record police encounters. Good. The UN Human Rights app. The UN Human Rights Office released an app that puts human rights related stories right at users' fingertips, focusing on a variety of human rights issues. Yep, that's it right there. So do. This is it, right? Or is there a special link? Well, it's got good reviews too. Developer. Let's just copy this one. Alright. And the route. Grocery route. Grocery store route. Get rid of all your key ring cards with this one simple download. Smart shopping. Grocery list. For shoppers on the go, IO 411 is a perfect hybrid of shopping list organizer and a GPS. Oh, that's nice. Let's see if it's still open. Home solution. Ah, nice. Nice. There we go. Okay. Oh, we got one. Oh. Okay, let's get another one. Specials. I see potential in all of these apps, to be honest. Something very similar. Any similar products? Either one of these two. I like this one. Smart shopping. Calculates prices for you and stuff like that. Let's see if it's still available. Smart shopping a la carte. Alright, let's do it. Copy. Boom. Alright. Similars. Then, okay, conduct some research. Okay, add notes to your brainstorm based on what you find. I mean, I'll add this. I don't know. I don't know what to add, bro. But I'll add this from this one. I like this one more. Whoops. I like that one. From this one, I like the in and out more. It's more of a. I had to base it off of one website, it'd be that. And then from these apps, which one was this one? Hold on. Oh, from it's the human rights app, or the website, and then the human rights app. I base it more off of the website because that's more official, and it's a clean website, to be honest. Okay, and from these three, I'm more likely to do this one, like this. With everything that was going on earlier this year, or mid-year, I feel like this one. And it tailors more to like the prompt or whatever. The kindness, is it a kindness? Human rights, I mean, it's like, I mean, it's not about kindness specifically, but it's like, you know, it goes that way. It rolls that way. Okay. Secondly, probably optimal. Something new. Something new. And then last Alberto's. Alright. What other notes can I add? I don't know. Finish by writing up a short description of each idea, noting any similar products you found, and what their key features are. Finally, choose the idea you like to work on for the rest of UXmas. Okay, so short description of each idea. Damn, bro, see 1136. Oh, man. Oh, and I gotta. Saturday tomorrow. It means I gotta go to the because Sunday they don't open the USPS, the mailbox, so I gotta go tomorrow morning, or ask my parents if they could go. Either way, it's gonna get done anyways. More likely, I'm gonna have to ask them. I'm gonna have to ask them. It's like we're gonna be right here, so it's good. Okay. I still have to box them up though, so they could go. We're gonna have to package them anyways. Okay, let's get to it. Add notes based on what you find. Finish writing up a short description of each idea. I mean, this one's pretty self-explanatory. Alberto's Mexican food. It's not an idea. It's I mean, what is it? A website. Oh, I have caps lock. Website. Improve website for the restaurant, restaurant, improve the website for the restaurant. Improved website for the restaurant. Easier navigation. Aesthetically pleasing and better for the user, or more thinking about and more, yeah, it's better. Let's say more thinking about the user, but better for the user. This serves just as well. Aesthetically pleasing and better for the user. App that reminds you of human rights. Okay, actually, like this. App that reminds you of human rights. Every day you receive, every day you receive a notification of a human right. Every day you receive a notification of a human right, and if you tap it, it goes more into detail. You get the same notifications until you memorize them. So like I said, you get there's 30 human rights, I believe, and I'm not exactly sure, but let's say 30 for now. And every month, one day, right? And then the next month, I'll give the same 30. And it just repeats them. Whenever you feel like you know enough, you can delete them, or it could be like the human right optimal grocery route. Let's see over here. Okay, so has layout of grocery store. You insert your list of items and it picks best to go to. This would be easy for big stores like Costco and stuff like that, or people that travel a lot. Let's say you're at your cousin's house and you're going to a grocery store near them, you know, because I know parents that are used to going to their own grocery store. So if you're going to a foreign grocery store, like, you all know exactly where to go. You can see your list of items and it picks out the best route to go to. Alright. So that's about short descriptions. Noting any similar products you found and what their key features are. those are the similar problems, or the similar products. And their key features. That's pretty much it. Finally, choose the idea you'd like to work on. Oh, I gotta choose it right now. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with the human rights. I'm gonna go with that one. How do I? This one. I don't know. Alright, this one. Alright, that's it for today. Day 1, check. That's pretty much it. Shows the app that I'm gonna work on, and that's it. Thank you for watching. You guys have a good ass day. It's a miracle if I upload this today, but let's go for it. Let's do this.